Hey, this is Fia Hobbs from Stockholm. Today it's been a week I think since I was on here, something like that, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about today, about mindset, about we all have mindsets, we're all conditioned in certain ways, and at times we're not very conscious about it, and sometimes we are extremely conscious about it. And I was thinking about how when Brian found out that he had cancer, which he later found out it was terminal, and how that whole thing just changed his mindset. And of course it does. I mean, who wouldn't be changed by that? And not just him, everybody around him as well. But the question that I still have, and that I always put to him, because we always had long talks in the morning. He usually woke up earlier than me, and he'd been laying there and been worrying and thinking about everything. And when I finally woke up, he was like, okay, got to talk about this. So we lay there and we talked for a long time about mindsets, and I let him talk about all his fears. Of course, you have to look at them all, and I say, yes, this is it. This is where we are at right now, and this we have to accept. And what are we going to do now? Just raising that question. Yes, it is what it is. This is the way it is. It's not going to get better. But what are you going to do today? And he's like, what do you mean? I'm laying here and I'm like, I'm dying. I said, yeah, you're dying, but it's not going to happen today. I have some, do you hear them? Little birds. So I told him it's not going to happen today, and it's probably not going to happen tomorrow. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do today? What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do next week? Are you going to let this stop you from living to the very end? Or are you going to live fully to the very end? So he got a little frustrated and he said, yeah, you're right, let's get up and eat breakfast. And we did. And in my mindset, that was going to be the best breakfast and the best day that we had. And later on, maybe the best lunch and whatever he could eat at that time. And maybe, if we were lucky, he was able to get out and take a walk. It was a wonderful walk. I loved it. I enjoyed it. In my mind, in my mindset, it was like, wow. And I taught him as well how to change his mindset about the little things. Because the little things become so important. When there are many things that you cannot do, then the little things are gigantic. And they are wonderful if you can only see them. So I guess that's really what I wanted to talk about today, just the mindset and how we wake up in the morning. And it's about for all of us. I wake up in the morning and I have a choice. I mean, I still have chores I need to do, and some are not that fun. And I decide, okay, how am I going to look at this? Am I going to go like, oh yeah, something new to learn? As I was redoing a website last night, I decided at night to do it. How hard can it be? Yeah. So I got to bed at 2:15. It was a little harder than I thought. And I hate doing stuff like that. But I thought, it's a mindset. Why not be curious? Why not just see if I could learn something new? And I learned plenty. I learned a lot. And I learned that I still have a lot more to learn. So, I just wanted to send that thought with you, and starting to be aware of your mindset, being aware of how you talk to yourself, be aware that you have a choice. Every morning you wake up, it's like I have a choice in my mind. I can go and do the things that I do with positive mindset, or I can go and just be very negative about it. So yeah, it's a choice. I know I make my choices every day. That's why I do this. That's why I can still be smiling, because there's a choice. I'm still here, and I am trying to have a really good life, and also to share my experiences to everybody else. With that, I just wanted to say goodbye and just show you this beautiful picture. I'm sitting at a lake close to my home. It's in Stockholm, but we have a lot of nature around where we live. So live with passion, face your fears, and find your purpose. Have a good day.